Hello, I'm Andy. I'm here with Tina Serpa of Fairhaven, Massachusetts. How do you like your Handy Andy's Quality Vac vacuum cleaner?
I absolutely love it. The service has been amazing. Every time I come in here, I get friendly care. It's always covered under my warranty. I have my vac back in a couple of days, but it picks up amazing. I have a dog that sheds like crazy, and I never have problems on my laminate floors, my carpets, my stairs. I love the long cord. I can reach all the cobwebs on the ceiling, all my stairs, and it actually picks up great in the corners.
Well, that's great to hear. I don't think I have any questions. Everything's been covered. Well, thank you very much, Tina.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye-bye.